Let's go back in.
Oh, so hold on. What's the name of this place?
Condom scene.
So, hold on. Get me over here.
My sister's looking for a condom.
Listen, I don't do this. Why do people need dildos, you two? I want comments. I want replies. Why go and cook yourself when you guys can go out with a sexy shot and think,
Yes, and we're trying to sell some stuff, and our last resort to selling is a condom shop.
But we gotta hurry up and sell this shit because we gotta go clubbing after this. We have to go home and get ready.
You guys want to see the merchandise?
Did you hurry up because we gotta go?
Alright. Oh. Yeah. I'll make a video out of this.
Oh, excuse me, I can't do that.
Oh, you can't? Want to say hi?
No.
Alright.